Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make an egg unbreakable. We'll explore the fascinating science behind egg fragility and discover various methods to significantly strengthen its shell. You'll learn practical techniques, from simple boiling to creative coatings, that can transform an ordinary egg into a surprisingly resilient object. Get ready to uncover the secrets of egg durability. The key to an unbreakable egg lies in understanding its structure. Boiling an egg hardens the proteins inside, making the entire object more solid. Applying a uniform coating, like glue or resin, creates an external protective layer that absorbs impact. Evenly distributing pressure, perhaps by wrapping, prevents concentrated force from causing cracks. We'll delve into these principles next. Let's get practical with some effective techniques. For a truly hard egg, boil it for at least 10 minutes. This solidifies the interior. Alternatively, you can apply a thin, even layer of strong adhesive like epoxy, allowing it to fully cure. Another method involves tightly wrapping the egg with string or tape, which helps distribute any impact across its surface. Or, for a rubbery egg, soak it in vinegar for 2 days. Making an egg unbreakable isn't just a fun trick. It has practical applications. These resilient eggs are fantastic for educational science experiments, demonstrating principles of force and material strength. They can also add a surprising element to magic tricks or light-hearted pranks. Remember, an egg's natural arch shape is incredibly strong when pressure is applied evenly, a testament to nature's design.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.